Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Locate that 28-character recovery key you created and keep it visible. Next, sign out of Apple ID on a device if required, then open a browser and go to the Account Recovery area for Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID email when prompted. This tells Apple which account to target. Once done, choose the option to use your recovery key as the verification method. This is the first concrete action. Do not move forward until the key is in front of you and your email is correct. With the recovery key at hand, type it exactly into the prompt. Accuracy is critical because a single wrong character blocks progress. After the key is accepted, Apple will prompt you to confirm a trusted device or number. Select the one you control. Next, you will be guided to set a new, strong Apple ID password. Choose something unique and store it securely. If the system requests additional verification, use a trusted phone number or device immediately so Apple can finalize identity restoration without delays. Finish by signing back into iCloud, App Store, and any devices using your new password, and verify your iCloud data syncs correctly. Then store the recovery key in a safe place, preferably a physical backup and a secure password manager, and update any devices that use the old credentials. If the key is rejected or account remains inaccessible, pause and gather proof of ownership like a device serial or purchase receipt. Then contact Apple support for account recovery assistance, because in rare cases, human review is required to complete restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.